Right, hi guys, quick review for you here. Went to the Donington show, as you already know about, and I was collared by Neil at 4B, and he's asked me to do a review on some of the items he's got, and these are the item. Now, I didn't have to pay for these, he's gifted me 2 sets, so just to be up front with you. So here we go then. They're quite strong rubber, and you can put axes, spades, literally anything you want to. You get the 2 rubbers, and there's also a plastic grommet which fits in there to secure them in as well. Now I'm going to be sticking 2 here with my axe on, and I've also got my large spade which I'm going to stick above me high lift on the side of the roof rack. So what I thought I'd do, just there's not really much I can say. Like I said, they're quite thick rubber, strong. Only time will tell. Like I said, I've seen these on other vehicles. They seem to be used quite a lot, so I'd say they're probably okay. They're actually made in South Africa, not usual Chinese stuff. So like I said, we'll get them fitted to the car and we'll see how it looks. Before I do that, the fittings don't come with them, so I've got a couple of these countersunk bolts for the roof, and I'm just going to put some self-tapping bolts straight into there. So first job all I've got to do is just drill a hole. We'll get it in somewhere in the right place. Yeah, it'll be, I think that will be a suffice job there. There's one, and we'll go there. Near enough. Right, I've drilled 2 holes. What I'm going to do, using the plastic supplied, so it's a bit of a tight fit with the rubber here, so we'll just wait there a second. Right then, so what we'll do is just screw this into here. Now I'm not sure if it's supposed to be up or down. Might be easier to lock it downwards and up. I'm not sure, so yeah, I'm sure somebody will let me know. Yeah. Right, we've got a new plan. The steel behind this panel here, it looks like these have just snapped off again, so, well, sheared off. Obviously these are a bit crap, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to come back home, get some tools on this and get it off properly, because I haven't got it here with me. So I'll catch you when I get home. Right, I've just tried to drill these bolts in. As we just found out, they're shearing off. Luckily I got a pair of mole grips. We've got this one out, so what I'll do is I'm going to lower it. I'll put a bit of an angle, not ideal, but we'll put it a bit lower. At least then we'll get it into the aluminium and not this steel behind. Right, I'm going to borrow one of these tech screws. See if we can put a thread in that. If not, we'll borrow the tech screw, stick it in that hole in any case, which is probably what I'm going to do, and we'll swap bolts. Right, I'm not going to mess about. I'm just going to use this one and this. Right then, we'll try again, shall we? Right, there's the first one. We'll put the second one in now. Right, there you go, they're fitted. So all I've got to do now is find the axe again. Right, here we go. Right, there you go, the axe is on. This one's a bit tight, but if you notice here, if you've got a slightly smaller tool, there are some different notches there for you to secure it. Probably even go a bit further in there. Like so, there you go, nice and secure, that's not going anywhere. So there you go, that's these, I can't remember, well, tool holders from 4B. I'll put a link in the description below. So if you want a set of them, get yourselves over there and go and get yourself some. Right, just like to say thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next vid.